I'm here today to tell you about this tailgate light for your truck. So you stick it underneath your tailgate. This is the strip right here. It's a strobe light strip for under your tailgate on your truck. And you put it basically, it shows you in the directions just like that. It's got directions here. There isn't much to tell you, but it does tell you in the directions that this here is the power button, and then that this button here controls the different modes. So these lights on here will flash differently based on what mode you have it in. And you can just click that button. Every time you click it, it will switch modes. And then this is the on and off button. That'll turn it on or off. So you plug this in your truck, and you install this under your tailgate. So as you can see here, it's long, very long. And it's got this adhesive tape on the back, this red tape. And what you do is you just pick your fingers under that red tape. And then as you can see, it's going to start coming up. And then you pull that red tape off and it will be sticky. I don't want to pull it off now because then that stickiness, might slowly start to wear out. But you put this on straight and you put it right on facing this way because this is the light. That's the sticky part. And you can see here what the light kind of looks like. I'll show you what it looks like at dusk so you can see how bright it is. But that adhesive tape will stick it on. Also, you can also add extra support with these other tools that it came with. It's got a really nice long cord too, as you can see. Here's where it starts. I mean, look at this. Super long cord, so if you're worried that it's not going to reach from the inside of your truck all the way to the back tailgate, it will. I'll show you that. I'll show you the proof in a little bit. And then these things help to stick it on even better. So it's got these little straps here. You can you can tie them together, put one in, pull it tight. That will tighten it to keep it around the tailgate. And then also comes with a couple of screws in here. So as you can see, it's got a bunch of tiny little screws. And these little screws, two of them can go on the ends. So there's a hole here, right here. So you can see there, you can screw it into the back of your truck. And then there's another one on the other side. But then the rest of the screws are for these little brackets. So these little brackets, once you have this taped to your truck, like this, then you'll put these little brackets on like that. They sit in there really nicely. And then you screw those in to the truck for extra support. So it does have the adhesive on the back, but if you want extra support, you can screw these little brackets into the back of the truck, and that will hold the whole strip of emergency lights on your tailgate. So now let's go outside and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so I got my tailgate lights in the truck right now. I'm gonna set everything up, plug it in, take the cord through the door and out the back so that it can go back to the tailgate, and then we'll turn it on when it gets a little bit darker. So like I said, two buttons. This one turns it on or off. This one on the other side changes the mode. So you plug it in and you'll see it's off right now. Okay, you hit the power button just like that. There it is, red and white. Okay, alternating red, white, red, white, red, white. And then you can hit the other button and that'll switch the style. So there's a bunch of different options you have with the light. Okay, now I'm gonna bring it out back and show you where to put it on your tailgate. All right, so here it is. This is the light. You put it right in here under your tailgate, and you would tape it right in there along the whole thing. And it would kind of go just like that right there on the back of just underneath your tailgate. That adhesive will help it stick. Otherwise, you can screw it in into the back underneath your tailgate into that back little panel there. It'll screw right in. So super cool little feature to add to your truck.